Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install and play my multiplayer game Fartnite. First go to this website, that's this address. Then you click on the downloads tab and download the zip file of your operating system, in my case Windows. It's going to give you some warnings that this file is too large to be scanned for viruses, but you can ignore it and just start the download. After you've downloaded the zip file, you can move it to a location where you want to extract it, and then you can start to extract the zip file. And after that you can double click the Fartnite executable to start up the game. You might get some warnings again about it not being safe, but you can safely ignore it and you will be starting the game. First thing you need to do is enter your name. This is the name you will be known for during the game. The game starts with some cinematics where you will see a flyover over the island. This is the island we're gonna be playing the game on. And after that introduction, you are dropping down the island at a random location. The first thing you might want to do is press escape so you can see which keys you can use to do what. You can build, shoot, throw grenades. You can hit barrels like that. You will get points for that. But make sure you hit the barrels, because if you miss, your accuracy will be low. You can also shoot at the enemies. And they will also give you... You might notice on the right that we now have only one player in the game. There is a maximum of 20 players in this game, but it's more likely that you will be the only one in the game. But if there's more than one person in the game, you can talk to them by just using your mic. So don't be surprised if you suddenly hear somebody speak. You can hit yourself with the grenades or the rocket launcher, and that doesn't have any consequences, but you can use it to respawn yourself to another position. Now I've fired up a second computer. You can see that we have another player in the game. I can shoot him, and this will give me a kill. The kill count is also important, because at the end of the game you will see which player has the most kills and who has the highest score and who is the most accurate. After a short time the game will start again and you can play once more. That's it for now. Thank you and have fun playing Fortnite.